Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about how to make your own shirt. T-shirt is in my last video. You also can go and see it. So now I'm going to create here, press it here. I'm going here to press, okay? Here, okay? Just close it, close, and press T-shirt. That's the T-shirt. And now upload for 10 videos. So now download it here. Here is it. So you just need to save your image. I already saved it and close it here. So now you go to here. Type this word to your Google and you must sign in first, and I just need to go back and like that. Select that. Okay. Type here and open image. Here is the open image. And choose your profile template shirts, okay? Or you already chose it, and you also can hear your last project. So I'm going to choose my last project. So now you can choose your image, what image you want, okay? Just go to Pinterest, here, this galaxy, and open it. And now you're going to make it yourself. Okay, so guys, I'm already finished this. Go images, put it on here just like that. So now you also can choose your own, like galaxy, some like I want some details, galaxy, wallpaper, articles. So you also can add some galaxy cute there. Like some unicorn, I think. Yeah, like that. You can add it to here. So now I'm not going to add those. Press it. So now I'm going to image, file, save it, PNG, and download. It will download in your phone. So here's the, I'm going to choose the name here. Okay. So now save it. Save it on here. Go back to your Roblox, choose the file, and here's the file. And press it, open it, upload, and confirm. So now, here's it. Need to reload it first. I still have 78 Robux. And need to wait it. Oh my god, my line. Here, so we need to wait it for a while. Cross it and go to your Roblox. Go to your avatar, your own avatar. Just need to wait.